Hello everyone, welcome back to Little Fit's Reborn Nursery channel. Well, today I have this video. Tracy is gonna be born today. Yes, Tracy is being born today. So I'm gonna put her together because she has a new mommy. Tracy has a new mommy, and I'm making this video so you can see how baby Tracy is being born. Yes, I'm so excited. I can't wait. So enjoy the video. Oh, the video is black and white. Way into the end so you can see baby Tracy. Yes. Yay! Tracy was born at 11:50 a.m. She's so cute. She's big. I like her. I like Tracy. Look at her. Oh my goodness. Oh, Kimberly, you're gonna be so happy with this baby. Yes, look at this baby. It's huge. So I'm gonna dress her now. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna be trying this diaper size 1. I think it's a small diaper, but let me see. She's big. She's a big baby. Ouch! I think she fits, yeah. She fits in size 1. Size 1. Oh my goodness! Look at her. Ah, look at her. She's big. I like her. I'm gonna put the socks on. They fit perfectly fine. Oh, I didn't show you her feet. Oh, hold on a second. Let me show you her feet. I forgot. I'm so excited for this baby. Look at this baby. Yeah, you see the baby? Yes, look at that. She has the nails done. Yes. Look at you guys. Yes, look at her. Look at those nails. Look at those nails. Yes. Yes. Kimmy's gonna be so happy. Look at this baby. She's so cute. I love this body, cloth body, because they, you know, the legs move. So let me put on the dress. Look at you guys. Look at this baby. Oh my goodness, she looks so cute. Oh my goodness, she looks so cute. So cute. Look at the dress, my friend. Look at this. I add the cupcake to the dress. I put a onesie on her. Yeah, I put these socks on her. This is the pacifier I prepared for Tracy so it can match the hat, and it has pink to match the dress. She looks so cute. Oh my goodness, you guys. I want to try on the pacifier, but hold on one second. Okay, my friend, look at the baby with the pacifier. This is my baby's pacifier. I don't want to try this one yet because it's getting dry. But this is the passy that she's going with. Yes, this pink one. But she does look so cute with pacifiers too. Look at that. Yeah, because this pacifier is done for other doll. It moved to the side. But yeah. That's her passy that is going home with her. Kimberly is gonna adore this doll. Look at you guys. I want to show you the head. She also can wear, well, I know you know that she can wear headbands. I'm gonna put this one so you can see how she looks with headbands, because I want to show you how I did the bangs and stuff. Look at this baby. She looks so cute. She looks so cute. And she looks so adorable. Oh my goodness, look at that face. Look at that face. Yes. Oh my Lord. Yes, she came out really nice. And she's heavy. She's really heavy. So, yep. Here is baby Tracy. So yeah, that hat, I got that hat from New Jersey. I didn't buy this hat here where I live. I went to a store, well, like I would say like 7 months ago, I went to New Jersey and I found this cute Minnie Mouse hat, and I grabbed it, and it was the only one they had. But since I love Kimberly so much, it's going to Kimberly's baby doll. Yes, it matched her dress. And the passy, like I said, the passy is pink and it has a Minnie Mouse. Okay, this is Tracy. Yes, asleep. She looks so cute on that dress. Oh my goodness. Oh. Thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye.